Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. On behalf of Majlis Shura, I want to wish you all Eid Mubarak, and especially to our brothers and sisters in Palestine who are defending our first Qibla, Al-Aqsa. May Allah give them victory, and please remember them in your dua.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Imam Siraj Muhaj. On behalf of the Majlis Shura of New York, I wish you and your family a very, very blessed Eid Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On behalf of Mass New York, Muslim American Society of New York, I wish you all happy Eid.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Brother Arshad Jamal from ICNA. This year Eid is coming while Palestine is bleeding and India is under COVID. Around the world, Muslim is suffering. I pray and I wish that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bring this Eid, the joy and happiness to all the Muslims around the world and make things easy for Muslims. Kullu aam wa antum bi khair and Eid Mubarak, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Afaf Nashid and I'm the Executive Director for CARE New York, your local civil rights organization. And on behalf of our family, we wish all of you a very Eid Mubarak. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant you health and prosperity and happiness in this year, from our family to yours.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Aisha Al-Adawiya, wishing you a blessed and joyous Eid Mubarak on behalf of women in Islam. And we send our greetings and our well wishes to our global Islamic community.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Abdulaziz Bouyan on behalf of Muslim community of Nassau County and Hillside Islamic Center, wishing you a blessed Eid Mubarak.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, on behalf of the Turkish community and task, I want to wish you all Eid Mubarak. Bayramınız kutlu olsun. May your Eid be blessed. May Allah accept our worship in Ramadan and make us those who continue our worship in after Ramadan. May Allah protect our ummah. Please celebrate this Eid safely with your families and the loved ones. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.